Imagine yourself in this 2010 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck limited. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include tow hitch, 4-wheel drive, tow hooks, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, fog lamps, privacy glass, sliding rear window and premium sound system. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.